Good evening, guys. It's me again, Grandmaster Trader Leroy Phillips, and something strange happened to me today. Right? So, I'm on a Discord group, right? And I'm there mainly to, socialize and meet other traders, try to grow my YouTube channel since I'm a trading coach and educator in the field. And I'm there, just doing my thing because I took up a challenge from, some other guys were talking about it from another Discord group, and I took up the challenge and, I decided to join another popular Discord group. So I'm in, 3 Discord groups, and I'm in there and I'm doing the challenge in that group because I noticed that day that group was, it was moving very fast. There's a lot more members in there, right? So it was moving very fast. And the other group, it was not really doing anything. There weren't many people online at the time, right? So I'm in this now very popular Discord group, and I'm just doing my thing. And people are calling out tickers and, saying what they think is going to happen and whatnot. And eventually, I decided to participate, right? So I decided to start, telling them about price action and where I think the price is going to go and what I think is going to go up and what I think is going to go down and why and all that stuff. Okay? So things started going deep, and I'm telling them about the Elliott wave theory and why I believe it's the language of the financial markets and it's the foundation of all price action and all that stuff. I'm getting into it. I'm actually analyzing charts for them, right? They can't see me analyze the charts, but they can pull it up on their end. I pull it up on my end, and I'm walking them through, right? So, things is going nice. Everything's going smoothly. Now, a few hours later, at that point, we're at, I try to tell them my story about how I started trading and all that stuff. And it got to the point where everyone's asking, like what I do and if I'm successful at trading and all that stuff. And I'm answering questions, and it came out that a trading coach and analyst with Unit of Prosperity, and I started, inviting, people to join with us at the Unit of Prosperity if they're interested in learning something different, right? Now, the something different that I'm talking about is the Elliott wave theory with some of my own techniques. Now, I'm someone who has discovered over 54 harmonic patterns. Actually, it's over 100, but because I grouped them together, I've limited it to 54, right? Now, I'm telling them about the Elliott wave theory, harmonics, fractals, that type of stuff, letting them know why Bill Williams fractals is different from the fractals that I've discovered, and so on, right? So everyone's listening and everyone's participating and everyone's happy to get this knowledge that I'm pouring upon them, right? Now, it reaches the point where this other guy comes on hours later. Now, I'm on this voice talk for hours, right? Because I'm actually analyzing charts that people ask me to analyze for them, and I'm doing it live, right? And this guy comes on, and at that point, I'm at the in the situation where I'm talking about the Unit of Prosperity and our lineup of products and services and so on. And this guy starts talking about, scammers, and I'm probably trying to scam people out of their money, and if I can prove what I'm saying. And I'm like, at that point, he was interested in the auto trader that we have. That's basically a auto trading software where you basically trade hands-free. All you need to do is manage the software. So managing the software mainly pertains to turning it off at news time and turning it on when the news has passed. So I'm telling them about the auto trading software, and he's asking me if I use the auto trading software. And I'm like, no, I don't use the auto trading software. I'm a manual trader and I'm a coach. I don't need to use the auto trading software. That's for persons who don't know how to trade or don't have the time to trade. So they want something that's going to work in the background for them, right? And he's telling me if I have testimonials or if I have reviews or whatnot to prove results and whatever, right? And I'm like, yeah, I do, but I mean, I don't have it right now. I could probably, show it to you later or whatever. And he's thinking like I'm someone trying to scam people out of their monies or whatnot. Now, the marketing side of things, I don't really take that very serious. Yes, I would like our company to grow and whatever, but we also have an affiliate program, right? So if our company is performing well and our customers are happy, our customers are going to become affiliates and they're going to market our products and our company is going to grow, right? Now he had a problem with the fact that to become an affiliate, it costs $97. How could you have a problem with multi-level marketing and in the same breath have an issue if you have to pay to become a marketer? I mean, it's not like people are just pouring into a company just to recruit other people into it. We're allowing you to become a customer first. Use the product yourself. Then, if you like it and it works for you, if we impress you with what we have available, you become an affiliate and you share the good word and become compensated for doing so. That's what an affiliate program is, right? So this guy is attacking me and he's literally trying to have me for dinner. Right? So I'm doing my best to explain everything to him, but he's attacking. He's like an attack dog, right? He's not giving up. He's just at me. So I decided to pull up my Facebook account and I've saved a few, reviews, things that I saw people post in our group. And so I'm going to show it to you, right? So this is Facebook. Everyone can see this is Facebook. Everyone can see this is live. See my page is moving. This is my name. This is my personal Facebook account, right? And everyone can see that this is real. Okay? Here's the time down here. Here's the date and so on. Here's an update from YouTube or whatever. Okay? This is live. At the time you see it, it won't be live. It will be a recording. But I'm just basically trying to make the point that this is what it is. Okay? So, this is the last one that I saved. I don't save everything that comes. I don't have the time for it. Okay? Recruiting is for the members of the company. It is not for me. I will recruit if necessary. If I'm in a position where I feel it necessary to promote, I will promote. But it's not my intention to, take away from the members who are trying to, in some cases, build, another stream of income and would like to use it as an opportunity because they have a very good product to sell. Okay? So I leave that for the affiliates, people who paid to do that. All right? So this is one of the first, that I'm going to show you, but it was the last that I saved. Okay? As you can see, this is our logo, and this is our private group, UOPfx Official Customer Group. So, all of you can read, I'm sure. So I don't need to read it read this out to you. You can see this for yourself, right? You can read this for yourself. Read what he is saying, okay? And he's showing his results, his personal results, okay? As you can see here, he took a trade on the euro US dollar. He bought 12 lots. And he's a scalper. And he's using our Elliott wave tool. That is our Elliott wave indicator, right? So we have an indicator that gives you a signal of when it's a good time to buy or a good time to sell, right? So now you would look at that indicator and based on the education that was provided, make an educated decision of whether you want to buy or whether you want to sell. So if the indicator is signaling that the price is going to be going up, you're going to be looking to buy. So you look for your reason to buy to go along with the indicator's signal and you take your trade. Okay? So that's just to give you a brief explanation of the Elliott wave indicator, right? And he did this with it. And this is over the period of a month, right? So I'm not sure exactly how many days he did it because I don't have all that information available here. But just based on what he is showing, he has at least a couple of days here, okay? He has here on the 27th, he made $1,212. Right? Well, the first one on top doesn't show, but I don't know what date that was. I'm assuming it's the 27th as well. Okay? Or 26th, whichever date it is. Right? So he has one up here where he made $1,212. On the 27th, $960. 12 lots. On the 28th, $1,452. 12 lots. On the 28th as well, he made $2,055. He traded 15 lots, right? Here he made $825. Here he made $1,905. Here he made $1,350. And here you can see that he took a small loss of $400. Then you can see here that he made $1,360. And below that you can see he made $750. And I'm sure the list goes on, right? So that's just to show you one. You can see here there are some comments from our members. Every comment here is from a member of the group. So he had a few comments on it. Alright, now let's move on. Next one. I'm going to try not to spend too much time on this. Okay, so this one is from the Auto Trader. Okay, so as you can see, the Auto Trader, if you're familiar with Forex, you would know that 0.01 is a very, very small lot size, right? And this is what we recommend for people with small accounts. If you have a small account, we recommend that you trade it with a very low lot size and let the Auto Trader work its magic. Alright? So basically, we have the Auto Trader trading the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar pair. Right? And you can see the lot sizes would fluctuate a little bit between 0.01 and 0.02. And here you can see that these trades are mainly all from the same day. Okay? So you have between the 24th and the 26th. You have $1.48, $2.03, $5.46, and I'm sure this is a very small account. right? And this is what he has to say. You can read that for yourself. The auto trade has always been fire, but the past 2 weeks has been even more fire. I've upped my lot size by 0.01 because the trust is just there. Amazing. Right? This is what he had to say. This is not what I am saying to you. This is what he had to say. Alright? I'm not going to call his name. You can see it for yourself. Alright? So I'm going to, he has a few comments here and there as well. This one, what's this one is saying? This one is asking a question. If you don't mind me asking, did you start with less than $500? I'm sure there's a reply in there somewhere. You don't need to see all of that, or do you? Let's go into it. He responded, he said yes. He started his account with less than $500. So as I said, it's a small account. And he's growing it over time. Okay? So he got a smiley face. And here we have another member saying AutoTrader is a newbie's best friend. Well, at least it's mine. So that's what she had to say, not me. Okay? That's what she had to say. This is someone who is actually using that product. Alright? It's her best friend. It's not my best friend. It's her best friend. Because she uses it. They use it. It's a product for them to use because they're newbies. I'm not a newbie. Okay? So, alright, someone's trying to message me at the wrong time. Alright, so, there, and the list goes on. There are a lot more comments here. Alright? A lot more comments. You guys can read it if if you want to pause and read or whatever. You can take a read, right? A few more comments. Let's move on to the next one. Alright? Don't have much time. Very busy person. So we have Ryan. Oops, I mentioned the name. My bad. Didn't mean to mention anyone's name. For some reason, my internet connection is slow this evening. Alright, so here we have Ryan. And you can see here Ryan is showing his deposit. $227.67. And here is his profit. $73.33. You do the math. Okay? I'm not going to do the math for you. You do the math for yourself. You can decide what percentage of profit that is. Alright? I'm not going to do the math. You do it. And look at this. This is what his results are like. It's not overly impressive, but you can see that he's showing this result and not. It's probably for 1 day. It would appear because I'm seeing a date here, and this date is for the 3rd. 3rd of what month? I don't know. Okay? So he is showing his results for, let me see here. No, it's not the 3rd. I don't know what that is, if that is a date or what. But you can see here that this trade was done on the 22nd, and this one, these smaller trades, I'm sure these smaller trades are from the AutoTrader, because the AutoTrader uses the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar pair. So these smaller trades are from the AutoTrader. And this bigger trade is probably from him using one of our other tools. Okay, so he's kind of mixing and matching with the tools, trading in one account. Okay, so some are manual trades and the rest is from the AutoTrader. Yes, you can do that. But I don't recommend it. I recommend that you use one account strictly for the auto trader and you have a separate account for your manual trading. Okay? And let's find another one. This one seems to be from Ryan again. Alright, he's showing off some more results. Right? Showing off some more results. Deposit 139 and he made 218. This is in June. You can see this is June. The last one I showed you was, I believe it was from July. Did not really look at the month, but I believe I saw it was July. Okay, you can rewind and look at it yourself. Okay, so this is him. This is his site. All right, he's promoting himself as well on his post. Right. So these are his smaller trades. You can see these are very small lot sizes, and this is a little bigger lot size. All right, so you can see that, and here you can read what he has to say. He says another one for the testimony of UOP. From a manual newbie trader, feeling over the moon, over 150% return on investment in less than a month. I love it. Thanks to the brilliant support of UOP team. Okay? He said it. I only repeat it. So, let's move on. Okay, this one, take this one from Steve. Oh, I'm calling names again. Alright, so we have Steve saying, God is awesomeness. This live account deposit of $220 got doubled to $492 this 2 days of aggressive trading. 2 days of aggressive trading. And here he says, all thanks to my mentor, Reginald Stenson, Leroy Phillips, and the UOP community. So, is that me telling you that? No, it's not. It's him telling you that. Okay? And as you can see here, he has some comments. And this is one of my comments. And the list goes on, right? And let's move on. Let's see what this one is saying. I don't want this recording to be too long, so I'm probably going to have to cut it short at some point. Alright, so I'll probably stop on this one, okay? So today marks 30 days since I've become UOPfx member. I can honestly say that I'm proud and very grateful for the opportunity. As for today, my account has increased up to 13.90%. Screenshot below shows that account balance is $2,180, but I started with $1,300 on June 6th, and this week I added $700. Maximum profit, sorry, $700 to maximize profit. Technically, to calculate my profits for the month, I consider total balance is 1,480 minus 1,300 which is my initial investment, equaling $180 profit. Right? That's $180 profit for the month. He's also going on to say 2 weeks ago, I was looking at my monthly bank statement and I noticed that I had earned only 0.70% APY interest for 6 months. Crazy. Just joined 2 Forex auto trader. He said just joined. I had joined 2 Forex auto traders in the past, but I never made a dime. One of them blew up my $2,500 account within 1 week for failing to use stop loss. Honestly, despite testimonials I had read and consistent results I saw, I was very skeptical when I heard about UOPfx, but I took a step of faith. It was one of the best decisions I ever made, thanks to Reginald Stenson and his team for this great opportunity. And he goes on with his disclaimer, and he's showing his results down here, his account balance, whatnot. Okay, so my intention here is only to let you guys see some information, some proof from actual people, not just hear it from me trying to sell you anything, because my intention is not to sell you anything. I'm here to give you an opportunity. You can't buy what we're offering you for $50. It's worth way more than $50. There are other companies out there that are selling you an indicator for $5,000. $5,000, talking US currency, for an indicator that doesn't even work. A nonsense indicator. We're giving you indicators that work. Very, very, very good indicators. And you've seen some testimonials on some of those products. Our Auto Trader and our Wave indicator. So you make a decision for yourself. It's only $50. It's a special promotion right now. Try it out. See what it's about. If you don't feel like what we're offering is what it is, just cancel. Okay? It doesn't make sense to try to make a big issue out of nothing. It's $50. It's not going to break the bank, and it's going to be worth the investment. It's only a small fee to get you into the door so that you can open your eyes. Open your eyes. See what is really out there. Learn the facts about the Forex industry. You will see it from all different corners. Right? When you're ready to learn the language of the financial markets, you can come to me. I'm a trading coach as well at the Unit of Prosperity. So you can learn everything else, and when you're ready for the language, come to me, because I do all of the advanced stuff where it pertains to price action. Okay? So I guess that's the end of my rant. I just wanted to let just show whatever I could, in real time, without trying to make up information to give to people. Okay? I'm showing it to you in real time. This is what it is. Alright? UOPfx is here to stay. And we're here to bring you the truth about trading. Whether it be stocks, crypto, Forex, it does not matter. Okay? It doesn't matter. In my book, they're all just charts. Okay? Learn how to read the chart. That's it. That's all it is. Learn how to read the chart. And once you can read the chart properly, you will become a successful trader if you implement proper discipline and risk management. Okay? What we're offering you is an opportunity to get educated and to have tools to assist you on your journey. Not just any tools, tools that work. Tools that give you results. So, I'm probably going to put the link in the description for the $50 special. If the special is still on, there is also going to be a link on the right side of your screen on my, not my profile picture, but the banner picture on top of the YouTube channel. On the right lower corner, there are two links there. There is a link that will take you to my Facebook group. It's a new group, so it doesn't really have anyone in it. I've not added anyone to it. I'm just gonna leave it up to people to come in there on their own good time and post their reviews, and I post some charts in there, some videos in there from time to time and stuff like that. So join the group. Eventually that group will pick up and you will find that there is a lot of interaction in there and whatnot. So join the group, become a member. Most of all, like and subscribe. Okay? Like and subscribe. That would be very appreciated. Alright? So I'll leave you guys with this. Thank you so much. And look out for the link in the description for the $50 special, and also top lower right hand corner. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.